Quick question, when you picture the solution to Earth's plastic crisis, are you thinking of worms? No? Well, tough, because it might be worms.
What?
Every year, humans produce roughly 400 million tonnes of plastic. Most of it ends up in places it shouldn't be, like the ocean or your bloodstream. Or both, if you're a seafood fan. The year is 2017. A Spanish scientist, Federica Bertoncini, is casually cleaning out her beehive. She finds it infested with waxworms, which is gross. Like any rational person, she tosses them into a plastic bag and leaves it on the kitchen counter. When she comes back, the worms have escaped by eating the bag. That little incident led to a full-blown scientific study. Turns out these larvae, or larvae if you're American, weren't just chewing through the plastic, they were chemically breaking it down. Fast forward to 2022 and scientists isolated two enzymes in the worm's saliva called Demetra and Ceres, which can break down polyethylene plastic in hours at room temperature using nothing but worm spit. Not because they hate the environment, but because they're extremely hungry and apparently very confused. Science translation, worms are spitting on plastic bags and it's working. I've tried spitting on my Thames Water utility bill, nothing happened, but here we are. It's all very exciting. Scientists are now isolating the enzymes to create enzyme-based recycling tech instead of relying on actual worm armies, which is a relief because logistically a worm army sounds like a frigging nightmare. So yeah, a plastic bag takes around 100 years to break down unless you have one of nature's little spitball machines. The long-term goal is to build facilities where these enzymes can be used at scale to safely break down plastic and hopefully keep your grandkids from living in a bottle cap. So next time someone tells you it's all hopeless, just remind them that somewhere in a lab, a caterpillar is drooling on a crisp packet, and that's the most hope I've felt in years. Now, waxworms are the caterpillar larvae of the wax moth, and admittedly, I'm not a huge fan of moths. In fact, I despise them. They're like shit butterflies. They voluntarily attack humans and electrical light fittings. They're one of the most fearless creatures on the planet. They're horrible bloody things. But if they have the potential to save the planet in any shape or form, then I will stop chasing them with my Oxo microfiber duster and let them live a long and happy life.
Hell yes.
If you're tired of doom scrolling and reading shite and depressing news, then you've come to the right place, because the whole point in this channel is to make the internet feel slightly less awful. I want to spread positivity and optimism in these videos and give you something to feel good about and hopefully make you smile. And if I've achieved any of those things today, then kindly hit the thumb button thingy and share this video with your family, friends and pets. Thank you for watching. Sleep well.